present on-screen commentary of some incidents to help viewers understand each situation, and comment educational feedback to enhance the knowledge of drivers. Before we begin, please make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Enjoy watching.
And then never delivered that.
My instinct was just to laugh it off. Like, it's some nut out there, and let's ignore it. The nut will move on to somebody else. Don't worry about it.
But then he did his son.
And then I saw the post
And there were these horrible things written about him as well.
accusing our son of being a pedophile.
If you need to, you can bring it to me and I can put it in the bag. Oh my God.
What?
That was a really horrific car accident.
Oh no!
I'm gonna get out and make sure the people in that car are okay. And I'm gonna call the police right now.
Oh no. I'm sad.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
I'm really annoyed.
I'm calling 911.
Smoothly from the moment the first game starts to the last play of the season.
Am I doing okay? Oh, I hope so. Huh? Don't worry, keep going. And check. He's good. So, I didn't pass? Everything's great. Congrats. Hooray! Thanks a lot! Dreams come true. Good luck. Thanks. Huh?
Good morning.
Hello. Shall we start?
Sure. I'm finally gonna become a driver. Let's roll. Huh? Oh no, how could I forget?
Wait, what are you doing? Stop! Stop it!
Calm down, this has to be done.
We're gonna crash! I'm too young to die. I want to leave.
Uh-oh. How did that happen? Ouch.
How could you be so reckless? You could have killed us.
Not a big deal. I want my license. Come on.
Huh? Fail.
What? Are you serious?
Payment, but still, that's like nothing. It's cheap. Then I bought only Oakley's. But I was making money too. Things were Things were good. Oh, it's on recording. I got it on recording.
Jesus Christ.
Both Ryan and Wes failed out of college. Okay. Okay, calm down, Haley.
Man. Thought I was watching a NASCAR race.
It's been hell chopper bullets, it's an AK in my hand. These boys a bunch of no different than a trend. I got on the land, I said they bossy. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck these niggas thought that I was playing?
Oh my God.
Dude, you got so much room. Go.
Please go. What the is this person doing? Idiots. All of you.
Horn. What? It's a road.
You're stopping in the middle of the road.
Drive.
Then talk and get it over with. Are you serious? Are you serious?
This is so funny. Oh my God. Idiots in cars. Oh yeah, all right.
Bro, what the You people are insane. Insane. What the
Hissing in your window? Oh. You should call the cops on his ass.
There's a cop right back there. Useless. I hate
discover this story?
So, I've spent a number of years reporting on issues related to older Americans, and I've been particularly...
That's what they all say.
What?
That's what they all say.
Yep. I'm really well that you got that we talked to Ashley.
Alright.
On my way to pick up my brother.
Drive safe.
Hey,
People are driving like... Ouch!
I know.
Don't hit us.
What the?
Jesus Christ!
From the skull has been removed shortly after Skinner's disappearance. The state police determined that
The person that in the car isn't liable.
Right. But the car manufacturer could be.
Oh, Glenn, I can't even tell you what just happened in front of me, dude.
Yeah, I heard the wheel squeaking.
The car's wheel just came off, and this mother driving away. What the are you doing, dude? He's driving on his rim. He almost hit the car in front of me. The wheel just took off. What the
Dude, get video.
I got a dash cam. I have the whole thing on video.
Oh my God! Wow. Come on, buddy. What are you doing here? I better put this in there.
लगी नहीं बच गए
There lies a long shadow. The tower trembles.
That like the things you think when you are afraid are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course, my example always for this is 35-year-old white woman who
I draw my own blood. Long as she.
Shit, I've got it on video.
divided and also to weaken the U.S. system of regional alliances to take place. So that would make them.
Holy shit, there's a guy firing guns in the air.
What?
Holy shit, what the fuck? Into the air. Texas lights.
Emergencies right now?
No. I'm in the car by
Alright,
myself.
thank you.
Oh my god.
Why would you stop though? Why would you stop?
Yeah, what a dumbass, man.
Same thing happened in Europe. It was supposed to be a temporary experience. Instead, it has become the new normal. And that's dangerous because you can't just inflate and deflate currencies, raise and lower interest rates, and hope to thing happened in Europe. It was supposed to be a temporary experience. Instead, it has become the new normal. And that's dangerous because you can't just inflate and deflate currencies, raise and lower interest rates, and hope to fix economies that way. There are underlying structural problems with economies that have to be
What we can say safely, given the known facts of the case, is that Phoebe Copus was a pretty normal-seeming.
There's no so you know these people have cultivated over 30 years, and then all of a sudden you're like, no, I'm sorry, you're too old, go away. What's Bob Catter going to do otherwise? You can't go back into the army, even though he's pretty good at it. That's what he's.
Upended attitudes about work-life balance.
Oh, Jesus
A
Christ.
reckoning in finance that was long overdue. Callie Williams Yost is a business.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Oh my god.
It's cool, I got his fucking license plate.
They just hit your car. Oh my god. Fucking way.
In the Journal of Marketing Theory and Practice by Richard Foley. Cigarette sellers were among the most enthusiastic pioneers in the use of network broadcasting for coast-to-coast advertising. By 1930, American Tobacco, Brown & Williamson, P. Lorillard, and R.J. Reynolds were all buying...
And thinks he needs a CPAP machine. It feels like, I guess, going on tour, and I guess... Oh, fuck! If you have sleep
and my behavior is toxic. It ain't the first time I heard that in my life. I'm starting to think you look at me like a project. I'm overly cautious that my heart will get caught in the webs you be spinning. Just let me finish. Goodbye and good innings.
I went to New York for his wedding.
Miss.
Seriously because of that, because it's affecting real people's real professional
pretty arrogant myself. At least in my mind, I was one of the top colleges in India. I was doing a job at Zurich.
Holy
money. So I worked with
Dobrých sněhulí nevycházela i u nás tady sněží. No tak zdravíme i tento kraj. Zdravíme všechny vlnové frekvence, kde teďka u vás zrovna sněží.
Pěkný, vole. Prosím, prosím, ne, prosím, ne, prosím, ne.
Jo, vyplo se vám to. Nasadíme to z parády. Michal Kalaš. Každý všední den, 9 až 12. Na rádiu.
Woke up to the sound of piano playing and what sounded like a party. And they got up and